Model, 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi 105ps spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 97,452. MOT, the 11th of May 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snap. Nice easy repair for someone that knows their way around an engine. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, $10,795. Click the link in the description for pictures and more